Number 5. Thank you for coming to today's interview. We know the location is hard to reach. I'm Scott Summerton, the chief designer, and I'm Jeffrey Bardo, the head editor of the magazine. It's great to finally meet you both. We looked over your resume and thought you would be a perfect addition to our designer department. But we weren't sure you had much experience in fashion photography. Actually, I did freelance work for my friend's fashion studio. Would you like to see some of the pieces we used on her website? I brought some with me today. That would be great. And if you could tell us about how you came up with your shooting method. Number 6. Amy, have you applied for a company position that was advertised last week? No, I'm still revising my resume. It doesn't feel like it stands out enough. I know they'll be opening up the hiring to people outside the company as well. If you want, I can send you my resume to use as a guide. I received a lot of help with mine, and it definitely helped. Uh, I would appreciate that. Thanks. Number 7. Now, before we finished today's meeting, I'd like to talk about the hiring process for the year. In the past, we've always used a headhunter who recommends candidates to us, but I'd like to discontinue this service. Oh, why is that? I thought it was very successful. It is, but it is very costly, and corporate would like us to reduce hiring costs. I've come up with the chart that shows how we hire people in the past. I'm surprised. I didn't expect these reserves. Then we should definitely go with the second best method. I'll talk to the rest of the team so they can know more about this.